from Idaho. Again, this video is from my brother Jack and Steve Mitchell. They both raised bees back in Wisconsin. What I'm going to show you today is that how to hold the ladder in the Fat Bee Man's no drown feeder. I purchased his drawing and his video, and I didn't see that he had any way of fastening it. It seemed to me he just set it in there. Well, I wanted to be able to lock it in there good, yet be able to get it out in case I need to dump some bad syrup or something out of my roasting pan. So first, so that the ladder fits in there really well, I just take a 2x4 and I flatten out the roasting pan on the end. Now, the boards I use for that, when you buy your 8-inch boards, cut them 6 1/4, I believe it is, for your sides of your hives, you end up with a little board. So from that, I cut a 7-inch one, and I put it on, I push the ladder down in there, and I staple that above the sorry about that. Then I cut one just the width of the hive box. I push it in there real well. Then I got some that are 2.5 inches long, and I just, with this held in place where I want it, I staple the first side, and I put a little pressure on it so that it holds it in there well. And I staple the other side, put my second staple in here. The ladder's in there really good, but if I want to take it out, you just slide this board out, take it out. Good luck in Wisconsin.